I'm going to make this cotton planter coaster, and it measures about 8 inches. I'm using an eye hook. You can use any type of hook size depending on how big you'd like it, and any type of yarn. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, there's two ways to do this. You can do this with a chain or a magic circle. Slip knot onto your hook. I'm going to show you the chain way just to get started if you want to do this instead of the magic circle. So you can chain onto your hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch in the beginning chain to create a ring. You can even do chain 5 if you want. Then you're going to do a chain 3 to count as your first double crochet. And then you would work 15 more double crochet in the center. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now that's the way for the chain method. You just continue on with your double crochet in that ring. Now if you don't want to do the magic circle. Now I'm going to show you the magic circle way. I know some crocheters are not comfortable with the magic circle. The magic circle, you can chain 3 right into the circle to count as your first double crochet. And then you're going to work 15 double crochet right into that circle. So you have 1, and then 2, and then continue on until you have a total of 16, including your chain 3. Now that you have 16 double crochet in the circle, you're going to pull the yarn to tighten it. Then you're going to slip stitch on top of that chain 3 to finish this round. And then you're going to chain 3. That counts as your double crochet. Then double crochet right into that same stitch. And then chain 2. Skip a double crochet. And then double crochet 2 in the next double crochet. So 1, and then 2 double. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, then chain 2 again, skip a double crochet, 2 double crochet. So that's the pattern. 2 double crochet, skip a double crochet, and then chain 2. So each stitch gets 2 double crochet after you skip 1. And continue that all the way till the beginning. Make sure you do a chain 2 to connect on top of that chain 3. Now you've done the chain 2, you're going to slip stitch on top of that chain 3. And then you're going to chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. And then you're going to double crochet right into that same stitch. And then 2 double crochet into the next stitch. And then chain 2. And then work 2 double crochet into the next. And then another double crochet. Then work 2 double crochet in the next. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. So you have 2 all together. Then chain 2, and then repeat. Slip stitch on top of the chain 3, and then chain 3, and then double crochet right into the same stitch, then double crochet into the next 2 stitches, just one, so 1 double crochet, and then another double crochet in the next, and then 2 double crochet in the next, and then chain 2, double crochet 2 in the next, double crochet in the next 2, so just 1, and then 1 in the next, and then 2 in the next, and then chain 2, and just repeat that around. So you have 2 double crochet, 1 in the next 2, and then 2, and then chain 2, and repeat that around. Slip stitch on top of the chain 3, chain 3, work a double crochet right on top of that stitch, and then double crochet in the next 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, work 2 double crochet in the same stitch at the end, and then chain 2, and repeat that. 2 double crochet and 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2. So then chain 2 and go into the next and do that again, and that's the pattern for this round. 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and then double crochet in the next 4, 1, and then 2, 3, 4, and then 2 double crochet in the last for that section, and then chain 2 again, and just repeat that around until you get to the beginning. So 2, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 2 again, and then chain 2, and repeat to the beginning. Chain 2, slip stitch right on top of that chain 3, and then you're going to chain 3, double crochet in the same, and then you can double crochet 1 in the next 6, so 6 times across, so 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6, and then you're going to work 2 at the end here. So you have 6 and then 2, and then you're going to chain 2, so 2 double crochet here, and then chain 2. So 2 double crochet and 6 across, and then 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then repeat that into the next set, 2 double crochet, and then 6 across, and 2 double crochet at the end with a chain 2, and then just repeat that around until you get to the beginning. Slip stitch in the beginning of the chain 3, and then you can cut off chain 1 and cut off your yarn. Weave in your ends to finish. I'm going to use a small hook to do so because my yarn needle is not big enough. Okay, this is what it looks like when it's finished. The written pattern is listed down below as well. Thank you for watching. If you want to make it bigger, you can keep adding more increased rounds or use a larger hook. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.